Since the dawn, we've looked up, praying to the sky, never sure of who was listening. We are aware of our souls, aware of an unearthly connection, and yet, until we can see it, how can we believe it? Do we want to be seen? A link between worlds does exist. Every person is interconnected with another version of themselves. Schizophrenia, déjà vu, our dreams, we leak into our other halves. The knowledge of this connection could destroy worlds.
No statement from the government yet that addresses these new discoveries, but we are hoping for one any minute now.
Can we live knowing that one of us is puppet and one puppeteer? A slave's drive to be free knows very few limits. A world's drive to be free knows even less. Can you feel me, sister? Someone else living deep within you. I cannot describe this feeling that I have for you. It is neither love nor hate, only deep connection. And it's driving me insane.